In order to understand what the different planets are and how to differentiate between them, I made a Quizlet in order for students to study and test themselves over this material. To begin, you can just look at the different planets as a list. However, there are many different tools in order to help one study. There are flashcards, and the flashcards are neat because you can either start with the definition first, you can start with the term first, or you can see both at a time. If you are a more visual person and need those two, or if you're just learning them, this might be helpful before testing yourself. There is also a tab called Learn, which it gives you different short answer or questions, and it keeps on giving them to you until you've mastered them. If you need to learn how to spell something correctly, you can do the write one or the spell one. Those are both very good for it. And then there are 2 games that can help you to master the material. And finally, there's this test portion. One can customize their test by choosing written, matching, multiple choice, or true false. A teacher could utilize this source to either add variety in their test or just to have one certain type of question.